Today I'm making this Mexican inspired spicy chili bean soup, and I'm going to show you how using the Justme Soup maker. All you need is some tomatoes, onion, garlic, some mixed beans, coriander, smoked paprika, cumin, chilli powder and half of one of these Knorr stock pots. Start with some beans. Here I've got some black beans and some kidney beans, about 140 grams. Half a can of chopped tomatoes. Next we want to chop up some onion, mince the garlic and add them all into the pot. Half of one of these stock pots. This is a vegetable one, you could use beef if you preferred. Top it up with some water. Don't forget your spices. Give it a quick stir. I think we're going to add a little bit more water here. Right, replace the lid, and for this particular soup I'm going to choose the chunky function today. This will just cook your ingredients without blending. When it's done, I think we'll just add a little bit of blending just to give it some bite. So this particular program will just give a 10-second burst of blending just to mix the ingredients together, but we still want this soup to be nice and chunky. Let's have a look inside. I think we're going to blend it a little bit more. This soup is just for me after all, so I want it just the way I like it. Let's have a look inside now. Perfect. Thick, chunky, luxurious is just what I fancied today, especially when it's cold outside. This is screaming out for a bit of cheese. It's just got to be done. Serve it with some delicious spicy nachos. Absolutely delicious. This is really hearty and filling and just perfect on a cold day. I'll put all the ingredients and the recipe on a link in our bio, so you too can make this just for you. Justme Soup Maker is available at Amazon and also on our website.